Today I'm gonna cook a dog food recipe. Good afternoon. Today I'm cooking dog food for her. It'll be good for 10 days and it'll be kept in the refrigerator in Ziploc bags like this. And this will be the ingredients, mostly like squash, chicken, kale, and 3 cups of rice. Growing up in the Philippines, we fed our dogs with leftover human foods. But that was okay because we had native dogs that tolerated that kind of food without having any health issues. She is a purebred and very sensitive to just any food. She can get sick without the proper mix. She became a very picky eater ever since she tasted the real food and refuses to eat any processed factory dog food.
I've got an ear for music and an eye for a smile. I love a pretty darling. When the fiddle runs wild, they go together like fair weather on a June parade. I've heard enough of both to know it's true when I say a pretty girl's just like a melody that plays both night and day, like a sweet refrain you can't explain. She'll dance inside your head and never fade away. You can't forget she's in your memory. By morning, night, and noon, she'll leave your side and then be back again. A pretty girl's just like a country tune. I've seen them in the barn dance, moving light as the breeze. Their laughter's like a banjo, picking quick on the strings. Each look they're sending keeps hearts bending till the break of dawn. They turn the plainest evening to a song you hum along. A pretty girl's just like a melody that plays both night and day, like a sweet refrain you can't explain. She'll dance inside your head and never fade away. You can't forget she's in your memory. By morning, night, and noon, she'll leave your side and then be back again. A pretty girl's just like a country tune. From songs out on the front porch to the fairground in July, they make the air feel sweeter. Put a twinkle in the sky, the world shines brighter. The stars burn whiter when they flash that grin. Every tune reminds me of a girl I've known back when. A pretty girl's just like a melody that plays both Day leans back in a tired glow, honey-colored light on the rose window, a quiet garden breathing slow, where we learned how not to let go. Your laughter's low like a porch light hum, evening settles, the night comes young, acoustic strings find a gentle pace, every small hope falls into place. This love don't shout, it softly stays, like summer warmth on shady days. In the space between a touch and sound, it's the truest thing we ever found. If words fall short and time runs thin, our hearts will speak where silence lives. We trace the stars with a patient hand, name the ones that still understand. There's an old road bending out of sight, holding our steps in the fading light. A piano sighs through an open screen, pedal steel cries like a half-known.
Please always remember to be always careful when working in your yard, for you and everyone around. Thank you for watching.